Understanding the limits of LLC liability protection could save your personal assets. While limited liability companies offer significant protection from business debts, there are important exceptions every business owner needs to know. A limited liability company is a business structure that exists separately from its owners, known as members. LLCs combine the liability protection of corporations with the tax benefits of partnerships. Unlike corporations that pay their own taxes, LLCs are pass-through entities where profits and losses flow to the members' individual tax returns. They're easier to manage than corporations, but provide stronger protection than sole proprietorships. The primary reason entrepreneurs form LLCs is to shield personal assets from business liabilities. When properly established under state law, an LLC creates a legal separation between the business and its owners. This means creditors cannot typically seize your personal home, car, or bank accounts to satisfy business debts. However, this protection has important limitations. First, many creditors require personal guarantees for business loans, credit cards, or leases. By signing these guarantees, you voluntarily waive your liability protection for those specific obligations. Your LLC cannot protect you from your own wrongful actions. If you personally commit negligence, fraud, or other misconduct while conducting business, you can be held personally liable. This includes failing to pay employee taxes, engaging in fraudulent activities, or acting recklessly. The LLC structure also doesn't shield you when you fail to maintain proper separation between personal and business finances. Paying personal expenses from company accounts or treating the LLC as your personal bank account can jeopardize your protection. While you're generally protected from liability arising from actions of employees or co-owners, your LLC itself remains responsible. If an employee causes harm while performing job duties, the company's assets could be used to satisfy any judgment, though your personal assets would typically remain protected. What about when the situation is reversed? Can creditors pursue LLC assets for members' personal debts? Generally not, but creditors may obtain charging orders allowing them to intercept distributions you would receive from the LLC. State laws vary significantly in this area. Some states limit creditors to charging orders only, while others permit more aggressive remedies, like foreclosure on membership interests or even forced dissolution. Single-member LLCs face additional challenges. Courts in some jurisdictions provide less protection to single-member LLCs because there are no other members to protect. If you operate a single-member LLC, maintaining strict separation between personal and business affairs becomes even more critical. Courts can disregard the LLC's liability shield through a process called piercing the corporate veil. This typically happens when owners undercapitalize the business, commingle personal and business funds, fail to follow proper formalities, or use the LLC to perpetrate fraud. When the veil is pierced, members become personally liable for business debts. To strengthen your LLC's liability protection, implement these strategies. Create a comprehensive operating agreement detailing management structure and member responsibilities. Maintain separate bank accounts and financial records. Document important business decisions. Purchase adequate liability insurance to cover potential claims. Avoid personal guarantees whenever possible. And consult with a qualified business attorney to ensure ongoing compliance with state requirements. Remember that while LLCs provide valuable protection, they're not bulletproof shields. The strongest protection comes from combining the LLC structure with sound business practices, proper documentation, and appropriate insurance coverage. By understanding both the protections and limitations of your LLC, you can better safeguard your personal assets while growing your business.